see it though. I'm trying to see it on this. There we go. Half a moon. And there's a whole bunch of dark clouds over here. So there's a lot of thunder and lightning over there. Yeah, there you go. You get to see it. And I hope it don't hit me. If it do, God will got me. There's a plane traveling in it too. You see that plane? Oh, you probably can't see it, but a plane just went right above those dark clouds. It's pretty cool. North Star right there. I don't know if you can see the North Star. There she is. That's the North Star. Oh man. And again, the half moon over there above our house. And the fireworks, the lightning show. A lightning show just for us. Oh, I love it. Well, y'all have a good night. Love y'all. Hasta mañana. Bendiciones. Blessings. Lightning even over there. Wow. There's lightning everywhere. The heavens, they just keep coming at you, boy. I tell you, love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Let's see if I can capture one of these pictures while it's lightning. See who's faster, me or them. Yep. One more time, one more time, one more time. Oh, there you go. I see there's some over there too. Okay, I'm done. God bless. Good night.